Hi, this is Josie and Josie's Fun Kitchen. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken wings version 2.0. What I've done already is I have seasoned the top part with salt and pepper, and I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees. I'm going to increase that temperature in a little bit, but I'm going to place these wings here. I'm putting skin side up in this crisper. I call it a crisper so that the airflow goes through everything. And this is the healthy version of chicken wings. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the sauce. So I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. While I'm doing that, I would love to remind you to please subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, and turn on that notification bell to all so that you see when all my videos are being uploaded. I appreciate everyone's support. Please share and tell your friends about my channel. I'm trying to grow it. And that's it. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for 15 minutes. To make the sauce, we're going to melt 3 tablespoons, 1, 2, 3. If you go a little bit more, that's fine. 3 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of hot sauce. This is melting. Whoa! It's one of these pans. It's kind of weird that it does that. Anyway, and squeeze a little bit of honey. Pour that in there. Okay, we got the first side completed. Okay, the second half is finished. I'm going to put the chicken wings into this bowl. Now I got probably sauce all over my shirt. That's why I wore my pink shirt today. So let's put it back on. And this looks delicious. Look at this. Smells really good. Here we go. Now we're going to make it nice and crispy. And I'm not going to let any of this go to waste. Look at that. And now there's no time. You have to watch it. So I'm gonna watch it. The oven says it's 450. It's a convection oven, so I'm putting convection broil. But I'm just putting it on the middle sheet. On the middle rack. Now it's time to watch. This is how I wanted them to look. So now I'm gonna let them cool down. I sliced up some celery. We're gonna put them on a plate so I can present it for our taste test, but let's let it cool down for about 5 minutes and we'll be back for the taste test. Okay, it is taste test time. I made up a little platter so it looks really pretty. And here's where the chicken wings are. I'm actually gonna leave them out because we like to walk in the kitchen and just take bites. I like ranch dressing with mine, and you got a little bit of the celery here. So let's do, these are my favorite part of the wings. Yeah, I'm just gonna dip it. So let's see. You know what? It's not too spicy. If you like a medium spice, this was just perfect. Tender, flavorful, got a little bite, and of course it's healthy. So with that being said, please remember to subscribe, turn on your notifications, share with your friends. I appreciate your support, and see you next time in Josie's Fun Kitchen. Thanks.